Hey y'all, it's Yaya and Hubby. We back for another video. Look what we have.
A seafood boil for ya.
So let's get into this.
Stay tuned. It's Yaya's time. Yaya time. What you say? Yaya time. Yaya time. Okay, Yaya time.
Hey my peeps, welcome back to the show. We're happy to have you. Happy Saturday to each and every one of you. If you're new to the show, we welcome you. And for those of you that are already subscribers, thank you for returning. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And most of all, hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified each and every time Yaya, that would be me, uploads new videos. So, how you doing today?
Now, you know how I'm doing.
He worked last night, you guys, so I had to wait on him to wake up for this seafood boil.
The 3-day weekend.
Yep.
Ugh.
He'll be all right. You'll be okay. So, hey, let's say our prayer, and then...
'Cause I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry too. I woke up, and this is what I was thinking about, so this is what we have today. So, and then we'll do some chit-chatting and check out what's going on, okay? So,
Bow your heads, please. Amen.
amen. So, yeah, so happy Saturday. Got me some water to drink today.
You know I got the H2 into the O
H and to the O.
thing. So I got snow crab on me today with some eggs, potatoes, and some corn. I don't have no sausage this time, y'all. But that's okay.
I have some crab, a crab cluster, some corn, a couple potatoes, some shrimp, and a lobster. And mine is in a garlic butter sauce. So let's do this. And we got some lemons over
There
here.
go an egg for y'all right there.
I didn't get you that egg. A little bit of yours. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
So how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Hope you guys are having a fun Saturday. If you didn't watch the video yesterday, go back and watch it.
There you go.
Thank you. I did a challenge. The KC Connection 4 bell pepper challenge in 15 minutes. So I got 3 of them and a piece of the 4th one. But it was fun to do. Potato. I have some. I just hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday. We had thunder showers this morning after Tim got in and got himself all together. And all of a sudden it started that boom crack-a-lacking. I mean, it's like a deluge. But that Fred is out there. It's headed this way. So
We'll see what happens with
that
it.
causes us to kind of have rain. I mean, it's out there, but we'll get bad weather. So, what'd y'all do last night, Friday night? Everybody chill, or you go to the movies or watch movies?
Mm-hmm. I work.
Was it muggy out there?
It was warm. It was hot as all get out in the building last night.
Potatoes good. What kind of sauce? Oh, I got you Cajun.
You make Cajun for me?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Yeah, so it's like it was hot up in there. I drank 1, 2, 3, about 6 big Gatorade bottles.
Dang. Y'all know it be muggy around here. Mm.
And then I was running to the bathroom all night like a racehorse.
Corn's good.
Did a good job, baby.
How's the crab?
Good.
So yeah, we don't have too much going on for the weekend because he's working. We got family coming in a couple of weeks, so I don't know if they're video shy or not, but you may get to meet them.
There you go right there, peeps. There you go.
So I got to start getting things ready for that visit. Looking forward to that. Mm. What else is happening? What y'all, let us know what y'all got going on. Y'all kind of quiet. I know a lot of kids are starting school or getting ready to go back to college.
I know the weather is still hot in the Northwest.
Yep. Talked to my dad today. And he was like, yeah. He said it happens every now and then, you know. He said the weather switches up. So, yeah, it's been nice in Washington. Mm, mm, mm. Satisfy my taste buds today.
I know the kids are somewhat excited to get back to the school.
Mm-hmm.
But they got to do it right.
Well, I think people are kind of hip to what's going on, and so you know, kids are getting school from their parents on, or you know, to wear their mask and stuff. So hopefully that's what'll happen. Why why you eating with your left hand? And I sat over here because I'm left-handed, thinking you're going to eat with your right hand and we won't be bumping. And now you're eating with your left hand.
Because I like to bump, baby.
Oh,
with you.
okay.
I wanna
Well,
bump with you.
well, okay. Well, bump on then.
Bumping, baby. Bumping.
Got a little spice going on there. Didn't do right. Use my scissors. So yeah, so be careful out there, that's all. Texas is kind of defined with the
So is Florida.
crazy going on. So yeah, like we always say, do best for your family. Shoot, forget all that other extra. You know. Yeah, it's sweet.
So yeah, y'all.
You know, we get to eating that seafood boil and our mind go blank. We ain't got nothing to talk about. Too busy trying to get into this.
Y'all know I talks a little bit.
Well, no, I don't think so. A little bit. Where you get that from? Ooh, you me.
I'm a little bit.
Yeah, right. They already know.
Waiting on football season. I think this is going to be a really, really good season, y'all. Football season. NFL.
I think so.
Yep. All the teams did a lot of good trades. A lot of good moves. So,
Ooh, come on.
because I know the Seahawks will have a good season.
Think so?
And I'm looking forward to playing all the teams that we rival with.
Ooh, got me one.
You know, like them 49ers, Green Bay, Kansas City, and I think them boys,
Cowboys.
And so yeah, I'm looking forward.
Excuse me. Ooh. A bit on the spice side. See if I can get a little bite of this. Ooh. Kind of big. Little lobster.
There wasn't nothing in here.
Yeah, crab been kind of.
They've been kind of shy lately.
Go ahead, y'all. Get you some. Yeah. That bell pepper challenge I did yesterday was something else. That was a lot of chewing, a lot of jaw action.
Had them jaws working. Work them.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes. I think that's all I had yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I ate anything else yesterday. I didn't even snack around. Or did I? Did I eat all the ice cream?
Oh yeah, you ate that ice cream after I left to go to work.
Oh yeah, I had ice cream taste, so I had made me an ice cream cone. But yeah, there's another one out there. It's older. It's a cucumber one, and I got a bunch of cucumbers, so I may do that. It's just how many cucumbers can you eat? So I may try that.
There you go, dude.
No, you go ahead.
I'm gonna get
Oh, you
mine.
coming?
You know,
Thank you.
know I will give you something.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Gotta give her something.
Good. I want to do a couple instructional shows, y'all. But I'm trying to think, what do I want to, what to cook. So y'all help me out. What would y'all like? I think I'm going to do a mac and cheese. I want to do a good macaroni and cheese where it's nice and creamy inside and then nice and toasty on top.
Mm-hmm.
Some good macaroni and cheese.
She's doing a Corey, her niece.
If I don't do it when I go back to Washington next month, then I'll do it with my niece because her mac and cheese is good.
Yes, if she has some time.
So I'm going to plan that early. That's probably what I'll do. Head up. Got down there in them spices. Give you a little kick in the throat. Excuse me. There. Sun went behind the clouds again, y'all. We're probably getting ready for another downpour, so if you hear some booming and crack-a-lacking, you'll know what's up.
You know. But yeah, we wanted to check in with y'all.
Check in and check on. See what's up, what y'all got going for Sunday?
Saturday, that is. That's Saturday, not Sunday.
Saturday.
Wish it was Sunday, y'all. I sure do wish it was Sunday.
You be all right.
So, don't forget to give her a like, share, and subscribe. And most importantly, hit that notification bell. Bing, bing. To where you gonna be notified when YAYA drops another video for you.
We're working on our subscribe count, so keep coming. We like it when you guys come and visit.
I love it when you comment. I like the comments and things. I comment back through YAYA. I tell her, then she'll put it out there if she thinks it's okay.
Excuse me.
But yeah, y'all.
Corn's bomb. I know. So yeah, we don't want to keep you a long time. Y'all obviously can tell. We just kind of all over the place today.
Sure enough is. Sure enough is.
But we're glad you guys checked in.
And Fred not gonna wash us away.
I know, that's what my dad said. He called and left a message.
We'll get in a boat and float away.
He was like, I'm just checking in on y'all. He said, don't let Fred float y'all away. I was like, what? So I called him back. He must have been sitting there watching the news.
So yeah.
So I was like, no. Tim has it on his phone. He knows when
To run.
Hurricane Fred, if he get in too close contact with us. But hey y'all, have a wonderful Saturday. Enjoy your Saturday. And as I always say, time is our most precious commodity. So whatever you have planned for this Saturday, make sure you get that taken care of. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
And with that said,
What time is it?
it's YAYA's time. YAYA time. What you say? YAYA time. YAYA time. Okay, YAYA time.